Right, so you lot wanted an open meet. We've made it happen. Come and have a look inside. Look at that creature. Right, so it's not a show, it is an open meet, but what we've decided to do is have a little bit of a trade area here. So you've got everything from custom knives that are obscenely cheap for what they are. You've got Modern Warfare down there. He does bespoke clothing, really nice like campwear, things like that.
Kitchen knives and all sorts. Yeah, saws. Yeah.
You've got Skynet Leisure over there. They do all the general camping gear. Got Pennine Overland here. He does these trailers, and we're going to do a full walk round on that vehicle on his trailer in an upcoming video, so make sure you subscribe. A bit further, you got Land Trekker doing the roof tents, the awnings, the fridges. On the review channel that's coming soon, there'll be a few little bits of kit from there. As you go a little bit further around here, you've got Jake's side of things, you've got Traction Adventure ready, and you've got the girls earning some pocket money, playing at stores, just having fun. So as you come around to this section here, we've got the bar in the background, obviously. Got Adam's Overland. He's brought his couple of his vehicles. Oh, are you vlogging me, vlogging you, vlogging me?
Is this like Gogglebox for YouTube?
It is.
I'm watching you. What's this? What's this though? When you do a selfie of the same version. If I could do a decent edit, it would go like deeper, like real deep, you know,
like a hotel mirror.
Like looking in a mirror, in a mirror, in a mirror, in a mirror.
Yeah, and then you have to stand like half on the toilet going like that.
Truth is, this will probably never make my YouTube channel.
So around this section, got Adam's Overland, got a couple of the vehicle builders and everything here. So these do all the vehicle prep, everything ready for an expedition. They'll take you from a base, Pinsgauer, Defender, anything like that, right up to something that'll do Iceland, do Morocco. Check his videos out, you'll see that. As we go a little bit further round, all the Essex Overland boys, bit of uneven ground there, they're used to it, that's what they do, they'll camp anywhere. Food stand on all day. Even here, we've got the unconventional off-roaders, right? He didn't bring his Micra this time, but this lad takes a Micra where a lot of people won't take your Land Rovers. That's their setup. Round here, got Big Arv.
Just getting my truck clean from a bad scratch when we went leading, so we've got,
you got
all the detailers on it. This is like the dream come true.
This bottle of the details.
And another professional.
How are you not doing reels on this?
Who's got a big detailed cock?
What you should have done is give one door to one of them and one door to the other one of them and be like, right, go.
Detail.
What was it? Do you know who I am? Fix me scratch and I'll shout you out.
Oh, cool.
Hello.
Now then, bit of moonlighting.
Does the taxman know about this?
£50 job, quick job, very good.
Cash only.
Obviously.
What's the name you cut it on? Scratches.
No more scuffs, no more scratches.
Good price.
On in standby mode. We've still got 10 days before I need to turn it back on.
So you're happy?
Happy.
You're happy?
Happy, Jack. Means I can move it. No, you can't kick me out now, darling.
So as you can see, the adventure vans are absolutely taking over. And there is some nice ones. Mine looks like a right nail parked outside now. And look at that thing. That is a weapon. Seems to be a lot of these little tyre table things knocking about.
Not that new. I'm not even got the camera up, mate. Don't expect an Urban Arc Overland vlog of this event, will you? Because I've got a bit of a headache.
You drinking?
Yeah. and now I'm talked to death. Would you like a raffle ticket?
As you can see, there's different groups and stuff all over the place. There's everything from like traditional Land Rover stuff, there's all the Gucci demountable things, there's overland trucks, there's you name it, there's rat vans, the lot. What a good selection.
Morocco, you know, like higher vehicles.
Spider Pig does whatever a Spider Pig does.
She'd fall straight through it.
Is there a bunker you don't climb up?
Yeah, good, isn't it? I am the bunker man.
Did you miss leg?
So it's getting to that point now, it's starting to get to dusk, so we're going to get everything squared away, then we're going to go get some tea and we're going to get ourselves in the bar. Is that drink driving? So although this is just a meet-up, we did try something a little bit different. So Connor came down and did some blacksmithing tuition, and we also had the lads outside doing the bushcraft teaching as well. I think next time they need to be on the inside of the water. A lot of people didn't know they were there. Or we can just make this even bigger again so that this is more of the middle. Thank you. It's getting serious now, measuring tapes out and everything. There's competition going here. Is it to regulation? So, Sunday morning, and I think there will be some poorly heads. I had a good drink on Friday night, and a steady day Saturday. Got to bed early last night, but apparently a few of the lads back in the bar till late on, so we'll see who's mooching about.
Hello!
It's cold! Jake, what are you doing? Did you have too many baby shams last night?
No, just van life in it, mate.
Oh, just van.
Normally you got to pay for this shit.
Everybody's moving. Morning. Morning. Is this the remains of your foraging? Yeah. Turn up. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody for making this so easy. There was a lot of ag actually doing the admin side of it and doing the website and doing the tickets, but when everybody's got here, there's literally a bit of wind blown away rubbish, and that is it. Everyone's been absolutely brilliant, kept it all tidy, been respectful to site. Can't ask for more than this. So, who wants a summer camp?